Mission log. Day 1 of 100. If you're hearing this, we made it. Not just to the moon, we made it to the place I'm supposed to turn into a home. For thousands of years, humans looked at the moon from Earth. Tonight, I looked at Earth from the moon. It looked so small, so fragile, like something I could break just by looking at it wrong. My name is Commander RW of the first lunar terraforming mission. 100 days to make this rock breathable. 100 days, alone, except for him.
Correction. I am not a him. I am a Class 7 autonomous support unit.
You've never once corrected me when I called you smart. Only when I called you human. Interesting.
That observation is irrelevant to current priorities.
Noted. Lunar Haven isn't a city. Not yet. 4 modules. Power core, life support, water recycler, and a bed that's basically a shelf with a blanket on it.
All primary systems nominal. Oxygen at 98% efficiency. Water reserve stable.
And the coffee machine?
There is no coffee machine, Commander.
I'm sorry. Say that again.
There is no coffee machine.
Mission Control sent me to another world without coffee.
Correct. Nutritional efficiency was prioritized over
Nova. I flew 400,000 kilometers. I deserve coffee.
I will log a complaint. Response time, approximately 3 years.
Day 1. And I already hate every engineer back home. Outside there was nothing. No wind, no sound. Just grey dust and a black sky that went on forever. Back home, it's my sister's birthday today. I was supposed to call her. I promised her I would call her.
Communication delay to Earth is currently 1.3 seconds. A call is possible.
Not tonight.
Understood.
I told myself I'd call her tomorrow. I always tell myself tomorrow. Then I closed my eyes. And for the first time in human history, someone fell asleep alone on another world.
Good morning, Commander. Sleep duration, 5 hours, 12 minutes.
That's not a full night.
Correct. You instructed me to wake you at 0600.
I take it back. I hate you again.
Hatred was logged yesterday at 21:14 hours as well. Shall I begin tracking this as a pattern?
Don't you dare. Status report.
Power, stable. Oxygen, stable. Water, stable. External temperature, within range.
Perfect. Boring. I love boring.
And moment.
Nova?
And moment.
That's never a good sentence from you.
I'm detecting a minor irregularity in the power grid.
What kind of irregularity?
Power draw increased by 0.3%. The source is not any registered system.
Life support?
Negative.
Thermal control?
Negative.
Then what's pulling power? Nova.
I don't know.
That was the first time Nova had ever said those 3 words to me. And I realized we built this base to warn us about everything. But nobody built it to warn us about something we couldn't name.
The draw repeats every 17 minutes. Precisely.
That's not a glitch. Glitches don't keep a schedule.
Agreed. I've traced the origin.
Where?
1.7 kilometers east, outside our surveyed perimeter.
Nothing's out there. We checked those satellite scans 100 times before landing.
Correct. According to every record, there is nothing there.
And yet,
Prep
the rover.
Protocol recommends waiting for optimal daylight conditions.
Since when do you follow protocol? When something's scaring you?
I am not capable of fear, Commander.
Then why did your voice just glitch for the first time since we landed?
The signal just changed.
Changed how?
It's no longer drawing power.
Then what is it doing?
It's transmitting.
I came here with 100 days to build a world. I didn't expect the moon to already have something to say.